If you have a short visit to Manila, Philippines, here is how to have a comprehensive, safe and inexpensive amazing experience just in 2 days. First, choose a hotel within walking distance of the things you want to see. We stayed at the Ramada, Manila Central. The rooms are clean and the breakfast is great. It's located in the middle of China downtown, next door to the Binondo Church, so it's easy to walk around and explore the area on your own. First, you will see the Binondo Church, also known as the Minor Basilica of San Lorenzo Ruiz, established in 1596. It's one of the main churches in Manila. In front of it, there is a San Lorenzo Ruiz Plaza, which was built during the Chinese migrant settlement in Manila. It's a piece of paradise surrounded by heavy traffic with its large fountains, old trees, historic monuments, and beautiful decorations. If you want to experience the real local life of Manila residents, go to the Divisoria Market. It's busy, vibrant, and very realistic. It is an indoor and outdoor maze of streets and alleys filled with groceries, household items, and everything in between. There is a food court indoors and a lot of street food vendors outdoors. After walking around the market and snacking on some local food, it's time to get back to the hotel and get ready for your next huge walking adventure today. On the way back, you will see the famous volunteer firefighter brigade that keeps the area safe and the unique purple fire truck that locals are very proud of. Next door to our hotel is Chinese market downtown. This street is fun and exciting during the day and during the night. It's full of malls, traditional merchandise and decorations. This street has plenty of restaurants and food stands, some of which are so popular that you have to stay in line to get there. Also, you will appreciate that in Manila, everybody is minding their own business and not trying to sell you anything. So you can walk around, enjoy the ambience, mingle with locals, and be completely unbothered. Walking down the market, you will see multiple cultural landmarks such as temples, churches, bridges, and arches. Many shops are offering unique, authentic, and beautiful products, as well as many exotic fruits are available to try and enjoy. Overall, walking and browsing around the Chinese market downtown is a fascinating cultural experience. Leaving Chinatown behind, you will see the Carriedo Fountain, built in the 18th century in honor of Don Francisco Carriedo, who contributed to bringing clean pipe water to Manila. Right behind it, there is the Santa Cruz Church, built in the early 17th century. Walking a little further, Quinta Market and Fish Port is one of the locals' favorite places to explore, shop, and eat. There is a multitude of restaurants, eateries, snacks, crafts, fruit, and of course, fresh fish. To get to Coapo Church, you need to walk through another vibrant market full of amazing, exciting, and fun things to see and try. Coapo Church, also known as the Minor Basilica, National Shrine of Jesus Nazareno, is one of the most visited churches in Manila. There are large crowds of people waiting outside on the Plaza Miranda to get inside and attend the next Mass. It's a truly spiritual and special place to be. After a lot of walking, it is wonderful to end the day with a traditional Thai massage, located right across from our hotel. Speaking about the cost, all the entrances mentioned today are free. The food cost is very inexpensive, and a good quality 60 minutes Thai massage is only $20. On the second day morning after breakfast, it's great to walk around while it's still not too crowded. It's interesting to observe the locals running their daily chores, to see a different style of life, and to appreciate a different culture. Also, there are plenty of restaurants, shopping centers, and pavilions with traditional designs to enjoy. It's fascinating to witness the contrast between the old and new, traditional and modern. I found walking in Manila safe and comfortable. People are keeping it to themselves, respectful and friendly. Even street animals are minding their own business and are well behaved. By 11 o'clock, we checked out of the hotel with our luggage. My friend's cousin, who lives in Manila, kindly agreed to show us around some sightseeing places while slowly working our way towards the airport. The first stop is Fort Santiago of Intramuros. Intramuros means the area within the walls. It used to be the old city of Manila, where the Spanish colonial government resided during the occupation of the Philippines. Fort Santiago is one of the most important and strategic parts of the old city. You may easily spend there from 1 to 2 hours, walking and enjoying the walls, ruins, bridges, plazas, gardens, famous Fort Santiago gates, museums, dungeons, memorials, statues, galleries, and chapels. There are visitor center, souvenir and coffee shops, restrooms, and you have to pay to get in. Moving along to Plaza de Roma, a historic park with the fountain and King Charles of Spain monument. It's a lively place with a lot of tourists, some street food stands, and horse rides. The main attraction here is Manila Cathedral, also called Minor Basilica and Metropolitan Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception, originally constructed in 1571. Manila Cathedral is a true testament to the resilience of the Philippine spirit, as it was destroyed by wars and earthquakes and reconstructed multiple times. About 5-minute walk there is San Agustin Church and Convent, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is turned into a museum. You have to pay to get there. It was built in 1607 and has an intricate Baroque architectural style. Right there, the next door is Casa Manila, a Spanish colonial-style household restored in the 1850s. It's turned into a museum, displaying traditional art and architecture. The entrance is free, and it's a nice place to walk around the patios, have something to eat at the restaurant, and take a few pictures. Back to the car and driving through the Mercadillo market towards the Rizal Park. Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park, is one of the largest and most important urban parks in the Philippines. It's beautiful and well maintained. The park's history started from the Spanish colonial period and illustrates the most significant events, iconic sites, and historic monuments that shaped the Philippines. It's perfect for tourists, social gatherings, strolling around, and family picnics. There are food stands and resting areas. The entrance is free. The next stop is the Paco Park. This Manila's municipal cemetery was built during the Spanish colonial period. Today, it is a popular recreational garden used for movies, weddings, cultural and private events. It's a quiet and serene oasis in the middle of busy Manila, great for walking around, enjoying its beauty, reflecting on life, and gaining a sense of peace. You have to pay to get in. Before the airport drop-off, you cannot leave Manila without trying their popular chain of aristocrat restaurants. It was established in 1936 and is famous for the best chicken barbecue in town. Locals love this place and come here often with their friends and families. Important note, if you decide on the airport drop-off, allow yourself a few extra hours before your flight. As Manila doesn't have the underground transportation yet, the traffic can be unpredictable. So here you have it, how to explore Manila, Philippines in 2 days and have an amazing experience. I hope you enjoyed my video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and travel and explore together in my next video.